Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Computer Tech. So guys, we are back again. Today we are gonna be showing you how to reset your smart TV. So let's go.
Wanna round me, catch a round me, go get out me, yeah. Shawty, I'm a riding G, I'm a dime piece, I'm a ride.
Guys, you need to go to your home panel and go to the setting. Click it and then you have to scroll down to common. And over here you need to go down to system recovery. And this will reset your device, the smart TV. So let's go. Recovery is going to shut down. You have to open it again.
Let's wait for 5 to 10 seconds. You need to wait for a while.
It's restarting. Wiping the data. You have to restart again. Wait for a while. So guys, I will continue after it is done. So guys, it just finished and we need to start the setup. Select the language English and connect to the Wi-Fi if you want to. I will skip it now. And the standard. Let's go on to the home page. So guys, you will find out that the colors are inverted. So guys, for this problem you need to click on the top right of the card that is appearing on the screen. I hope guys that you like this video. Do give this video a thumbs up and we need to search for the channels. And if you want to know about this color problem, kindly go to the card on the top right of the screen.